Hello, I am Ananya. I am currently pursuing my BTech in civil engineering. I'm in 4th semester. Mental health is basically something which we can't see, which we can't feel, but we all undergo. So since we can't see it, we can't feel it, we usually ignore it.
Hello, my name is SWETA MAHANTA and I am pursuing my Bachelor in Engineering in Chemical Engineering and I am currently in 6th semester. Well, according to me, mental health is the emotional and behavior wellness of a person. It's about how they think, imagine, and they want to create things in their life.
Hello, my name is DIGVIJOY. I'm a student of Bachelor of Engineering and I'm studying in Assam Engineering College. I'm a student of 6th semester Production Department. Mental health, I refer to it as an absence of any psychological misorder or disorder in that particular individual and his socially and psychologically well-being.
Hello everyone, my name is JISHNU SAIKIA. I'm currently pursuing mechanical engineering from Assam Engineering College. I'm currently in 6th semester. I believe the institute in which a student is studying plays a major role in his mental health. So if the college organizes programs that deals with the stigmas associated with mental health, I guess it will be very much helpful for those people suffering from these problems.
Hello, my name is NILIKEsh LAHKAR and I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Engineering degree from Assam Engineering College and I'm currently in 6th semester. I think being in an engineering institute, I think that mental health is something, mental illness is something we deal on a day-to-day basis. So I think an institution has a very important role to play in our mental health because if the institution tries to create mental awareness and tries to make it easy for our mental health, then I think it will be good for all the students.
My name is JHIMLEE DATTA. I'm from Assam Engineering College. I'm pursuing my BTech and I'm a 4th sem student in electronics engineering. Yeah, we have many, we are this generation, we have social media as our power. We should first learn about these things ourselves. We should know what exactly depression, anxiety, these actually mean. Then only we can spread awareness about this. So first, the job student should be to understand it ourselves. And then we can spread it on social media. Whatever we understand best about this, we should tell it to people, talk it about in our classes and everything. Like whenever we are free, we should talk. If anyone is having a problem or if anything is bothering someone, we should just talk about it in our daily basis so that no one is ultimately uncomfortable to talk about this.
Hi, my name is KAUSTAV. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in engineering in electronics and telecommunication engineering. I'm in my final semester now, that is the 8th semester.
Sensitive issue like mental health and be more mindful while having conversations with people around us.
So basically, I believe even in this present day-to-day age, I believe that still the society is very much not used to terms like panic attacks, anxiety and depression. So I believe as students, we have the responsibility, of taking the society forward and to break the stigma associated with panic attacks, depression and anxiety such that the people who are actually suffering from them get the help they need.
Hello, my name is NEELAV BARMAN. I'm presently pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering. I'm currently studying in 2nd semester in Assam Engineering College. Yeah, first of all, we need to talk about this in our wordings. The talk which is very important because we do not even talk about it and we are not even concerned about what happens to our mental mind. For example, a physical illness comes up, then everybody is right away after it. But if mental illness comes up, there is a taboo. So first and foremost, we need to talk this, not among students, but among the teachers, among the family members, among all other people who are not aware of the facts.
Right. Hello, my name is MILAN BORA. I'm studying BTech Bachelor of Technology in Assam Engineering College in Mechanical Engineering. Yeah, there have been a few instances when my negative emotions had crossed their limit. So during those times, I had behaved in a very typically what we call bad manner in social language, and I had there were times when I or many of the people who are really close to me, we have screamed, we have thrown things around, and we have just tried to put out to the world that we are actually facing this after the limit was crossed. And on those days, it was really tough because during those times, basically we were not behaving in what the society would call as a normal citizen. So that was really tough, but talking to our loved ones and then mostly I feel listening to music and then reading or writing our feelings, because as an introvert, it's not easy to talk about, be it mental health. Mental health is something which is really tough to talk about, and many other things like even normal things, it's really tough for introverts to talk about those things. So basically we used to write down in a journal or basically start reading those things, and then we actually when we put it out in the world, then it becomes really easy. So it's really good if we have someone to talk to about those things, but if not, we can actually write it down or write some story regarding it, or maybe we can listen to music or do what we love best, so that those kind of emotions actually come down and we actually forget about those things and move on with our life.
A report by World Health Organization revealed that 7.5% of the Indian population suffers from some form of mental health disorder. Mental illnesses constitute 1/6 of all health-related disorders, and India accounted for 15% of the global mental, neurological, and substance abuse disorder burden. WHO also predicts that by 2020, roughly 20% of India's population will suffer from some form of mental illnesses. In our country, the discovery of mental illnesses is often followed by denial and some form of stigma associated with it. So, this time, Pyrokinesis has taken up the social responsibility of creating mental health awareness, and with this campaign, Pyrokinesis takes up the responsibility of creating conversations around mental health. So, for the very same, we would like to urge the people of Assam Engineering College in the state of Assam to start sensitizing this issue and stand with us. Pyro for mental health.
Start the conversation
Now.